In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a couple of quick shortcuts to make adding dates effortless in your pages. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. In the results, choose the official Microsoft Loop page from Microsoft 365. This ensures you land on the correct site with the most up-to-date features and guidance. On the Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it on the spot. Signing in ties your work to the cloud, so everything is saved and available across your devices. Once you're in, you'll see the Loop home. From here, you can create a new workspace or open one you've already set up. Either option is fine. Choose the space where you want to add your page. Inside the workspace, create a new page or open an existing one. At the top, give your page a clear title. A good title makes it easy to spot later and helps teammates quickly understand what the page is about. Now you're ready to insert the date. Move your cursor to the body of the page on a fresh line below the title. You'll see a small plus icon appear near the left edge of the line. Click that plus to open the Insert menu. This menu is your toolbox for adding all kinds of content to your page. If you prefer to work even faster, you can skip the menu and type the / directly on the page. Then type the word date right after it. Loop recognizes this as a / command and filters the insert options for you. From the Insert menu or from the / command suggestions, choose date. Loop will drop a date element right into your page at the cursor. This is perfect for marking meeting days, due dates, milestones, or review checkpoints. Once the date is in place, you can continue typing your notes on the same line or press enter to move to the next one. You can add multiple dates throughout a page wherever you need them, and repeat this process in any workspace or page. That's it. You searched for Microsoft Loop, opened it from the official site, signed in, created or opened a workspace, titled your page, used the plus icon or the / command, and selected date. Follow these steps anytime you need a clear, consistent timestamp in your Loop content.